Hi friends, welcome. HTML tutorial from Big I Club published by Leo Society Contact Mail. Leo Society at Outlook.com. For any needs, help, information, contact Mr. Vikram Head of the online education. One of the member of Leo Society 7842703851 was time night Oitmalsh tutorial and 1 HTML overview. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it is the most widely used language to write web pages. Hypertext refers to the way in high pages HTML moments are linked together. Thus, the link available on a web page is called hypertext. As its name suggests, HTML is a markup language, which means you use HTML to simply mark up a text document with tags that tell a web browser how to structure it to display. Originally, HTML was developed with the intent of defining the structure of documents like headings, paragraphs, lists, and so forth to facilitate the sharing of scientific information between researchers. Now, HTML is being widely used to format web pages with the help of different tags available in HTML language. Basic HTML document. In its simplest form, following is an example of an HTML document. Head. This is document title C / title H1. This is a heading. As document content goes here, either you can use try it option available at the top right corner of the code box to check the result of this HTML code, or let's save it in an HTML file test. HTML using your favorite text editor. Finally, open it using a web browser like Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Firefox etc. It must show the following output. 16 tutorials.html a document title. Mozilla Firefox page file. L users Mahnaz. Thus a desktopy test. HTMC Yahon AA1. This is a heading document. A content goes here. HTML tags. As told earlier, HTML is a markup language and makes use of various tags to format the content. These tags are enclosed within angle braces. Except few tags, most of the tags have their corresponding closing tags. For example, HTML has its closing tag and tag has its closing tag etc. Above example of HTML document uses. The following tags. Tag description. This tag defines the document type and HTML version. This tag encloses the complete HTML document and mainly comprises of document header, which is represented by head, and document body, which is represented by tags. This tag represents the document's header, which can keep other HTML tags like title. The tag is used inside the ched tag to mention the document title. Body. This tag represents the document's body, which keeps other HTML tags like div, page. This tag represents the heading. Tutorials.html. This tag represents a paragraph. To learn HTML, you will need to study various tags and understand how they behave while formatting a textual document. Learning HTML is simple as users have to learn the usage of different tags in order to format the text or images to make a beautiful web page. World Wide Web Consortium W3C recommends to use lowercase tags starting from HTML4. HTML document structure. A typical HTML document will have the following structure. document declaration tag. Here the document header related tags. Head, document body related tags. We will study all the header and body tags in subsequent chapters. But for now, let's see what is document declaration tag. The declaration tag is used by the web browser to understand the version of the HTML used in the document. Current version of HTML is 5.8. It makes use of the following declaration tag along with other HTML tags. Tutorials point